So what is the best way to see the sights here in Legazpi and near and around Legazpi is you find a car with a nice driver like Alfie. This is Alfie, and who drove me around the whole day for 8 hours. We did several things here around Legazpi. Now, this is not the bridge over the River Kwai, but a bridge across to an island that's a little bit outside of Legazpi and the volcano. Maybe an hour away, and the driver suggested that we go here. I can fly the drone. It's a little bit windy now, late afternoon, but let's see what this looks like, and I hope you like it too.